Every planet discovered potentially more habitable than Earth.
Proxima Centauri b. The closest potentially habitable planet to Earth is Proxima Centauri b, just 4.2 light-years away. It orbits a red dwarf star and completes a full orbit in just 11 days. But the star is much cooler than our Sun, so the planet still receives a similar amount of energy. It's likely tidally locked. One side faces eternal daylight, the other is frozen in endless night. But between them lies a narrow twilight zone, where temperatures could be stable enough for liquid water. If an atmosphere exists, winds could carry heat across the planet, preventing the dark side from freezing completely. The biggest threat is the star itself. Proxima Centauri is highly active, constantly blasting the planet with radiation. But if this world has a strong magnetic field, it could hold on to its atmosphere and protect its surface. And because it's so close to us, this might be the first alien world we ever truly explore.
Kepler 186f. Kepler 186f is a slightly larger Earth-sized planet orbiting a cooler, dimmer red dwarf. It is 500 light-years away. It sits at the outer edge of the habitable zone, receiving less energy than Earth. To stay warm, it would need a thicker atmosphere, trapping heat through a greenhouse effect. But here's where it gets strange. The star emits mostly infrared light. So if plants exist here, they wouldn't be green. They might be black, absorbing every bit of energy they can. A dark world covered in shadowy vegetation, quietly surviving under a dim red sun. TRAPPIST-1e. TRAPPIST-1e orbits an ultra-cool red dwarf about 40 light-years away. It's almost the same size as Earth and sits right in the star's habitable zone. One side is locked in constant daylight, the other in endless darkness. But right in between is a global ring of sunset, a twilight zone that could have the perfect conditions for life. Scientists think this planet could have liquid water. Its density suggests a rocky surface and a large iron core, similar to Earth. And unlike our Sun, red dwarfs burn for trillions of years. That gives life far more time to begin and evolve. The danger, again, is stellar flares. But if the atmosphere is thick enough, or protected by a magnetic field, this planet could remain stable for unimaginable lengths of time. LHS 1140b. LHS is a super-Earth about 40 light-years away. It's nearly twice Earth's size and far more massive, meaning gravity is much stronger. Everything would feel heavier. Movement would be harder. But that extra gravity comes with an advantage. It can hold on to a thick, stable atmosphere. And recent observations suggest something incredible. This planet may be covered almost entirely by a deep global ocean. A true water world. No continents, no land. Just endless oceans stretching for thousands of kilometers. If life exists here, it would be completely aquatic, evolving in depths far beyond anything on Earth. Even better, its star is unusually calm for a red dwarf. Fewer flares mean a more stable environment. Kepler 62. Kepler 62f orbits a star slightly cooler than our Sun, about 1,200 light-years away. It receives less light, similar to Mars. At first glance, it seems too cold for life, but with a dense atmosphere rich in carbon dioxide, heat could be trapped efficiently, warming the entire planet. Some models suggest this world could also be entirely covered in water. But here, the oceans could be hundreds of kilometers deep, and the star is around 7 billion years old, much older than our Sun. That means life here, if it began early, would have had billions of extra years to evolve. Gliese 667cc. Gliese 667cc exists in a triple star system. It is 24 light-years away. At certain times, you wouldn't see just one sun in the sky, but two, or even three. The planet itself is a super-Earth with much stronger gravity and a denser atmosphere. It receives slightly less energy than Earth, but still enough to potentially support liquid water. The light here would be redder, dimmer. The sky might glow in shades of orange and crimson. Life, if it exists, would need to adapt to an entirely different spectrum of light. This isn't just another Earth. It's a completely different kind of living world. Kepler 442b, a planet about 30% larger than Earth, orbiting an orange dwarf star in 112 days. The planet is 1,200 light-years away from Earth. Orange dwarfs may be the perfect stars for life, more stable than the Sun, longer-lived, less violent than red dwarfs. This planet receives about 70% of the sunlight Earth gets, slightly cooler, but still within a comfortable range. With a thicker atmosphere, it could easily maintain liquid water. Everything about this system lines up almost perfectly. In fact, scientists estimate it has one of the highest probabilities of being habitable among all known exoplanets. Not just Earth-like, possibly better than Earth.